Hey guys, we're with Ian. What are we making?
Chicken madras.
Chicken, what is it?
Madras.
Madras chicken curry for us normal people. Okay, so here we go.
So we already have chicken drums, which have been chopped up to bite-sized pieces.
Okay.
And been mixed with 6 cloves of garlic.
Okay.
Mixed it all up, okay?
Beautiful.
And then in here, I've got some cardamom seeds.
Okay.
Okay. You can't really see them, but
yeah.
they're there. A bit of what's it? This is all stuff that takes a
Not a
long time
lot,
to
so
prep.
a little cardamom goes a long way.
Yeah, but that's about right. Okay, and we've got to start mashing all that up.
Do you want me to mash?
Yeah.
Okay.
Teaspoon black pepper. Teaspoon of chili flakes.
Ooh, there you go. That's what I'm talking about there, right there.
Okay.
If you're wondering about Ian, he's from Scotland, so that's why he's in Italy, but speaks Scottish. Tells a lot.
Okay.
Exactly.
Half a teaspoon of fenugreek.
Fenugreek. I caught that when I was out in Scotland, actually. You were asked to leave Scotland by the king, weren't you? Weren't you excommunicated from?
Something. Tablespoon.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Turmeric.
There we go.
Tablespoon coriander. A tablespoon of cumin.
You're like an alchemist. We're making gold over here.
Half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili. Half a teaspoon of red chili.
It's gonna give it a little kick.
Just chili will do. I mean, it's mix them all up.
Now you worked in the West End of London in the what, Indian section in order to come up with this recipe. Is that it?
I did not. No, my sister gave me a little book of recipes over 40 years ago, and this is the one that I like the most.
So today it's cooking with Ian from Scotland in Vico del Gargano.
At the moment, it's just preparation.
Preparation with you.
Yeah. Okay.
So we're doing like a dry rub.
Yeah. Well, this is to marinate the chicken, yes?
Gotcha.
That's the idea. And usually I would marinate it overnight.
Got it.
Today we may do something later on and actually make the curry. But I'm not promising. So this chicken already coated with garlic, crushed garlic.
Oh, we didn't. You didn't tell me that.
Yes,
all right.
Okay, bite-sized pieces of chicken drumstick.
Okay.
And six cloves of garlic crushed into it and mixed up.
Okay. 6 cloves of garlic mixed up and then marinated with the garlic.
Yeah.
And then you're on drumsticks. They're deboned.
Yeah.
And then right there, you probably got about 3 pounds of
And
chicken.
just go around until everything's coated in the spice mix.
Okay.
I leave this normally overnight and then cook it the following day.
The aroma is phenomenal. Just so you know.
Yeah,
And then we're gonna put Saran wrap. Put it in the refrigerator. You leave it at room temp. What do you do now?
I'll put it in the grotta, which is 18 degrees.
Okay, 18 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
And then what's our next step? So from that, you're gonna
Next step is what you do is you fry up 3 or 4 big onions.
Okay.
Fry them in olive oil.
Okay.
Remove them from the pan. Add more olive oil. Add in this, the chicken curry meat, and fry that up till it's cooked.
Yes.
Then you, with a green chili added.
With a green chili.
Whole.
Okay.
Okay. Do that until it's cooked, and then add half a tin of tomatoes.
Of passata or whole tomatoes
Passata,
crushed?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, passata.
Okay.
And after that, add in chicken stock.
How much? Like a
Well,
couple cups?
Yes, at least. But you want the sauce to be quite thick
Got it.
at the end of it all, and then after that's been added, a couple of bay leaves
Okay.
goes into the mix, and you salt it to flavour.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not
And then
pepper,
you serve
because
it.
You've already got it.
And you're serving with rice traditionally?
Well, no, I cook it, and then I usually don't eat it until the next day.
Oh, got it.
Even another day.
So
cooked.
marinate a day and then
Yeah,
cook it and then let it set
That's
another
right,
day.
That's right. And then basmati rice.
Right there.
You soak basmati rice, let's say all morning.
Long grain.
Change
Low starch.
yeah,
Yeah.
and then cook the rice.
Great. Perfect. And then you put the rice in it? Do you cook the rice and then put the curry over the top of it?
You put the curry over the top.
Okay. And then let me ask you a very important question. When you're eating it, what would you pair it with wine? What would be your wine with
Primitivo.
it? Primitivo. Got
Primitivo,
it. Okay.
every time.
Got it.
Or my wine.
Yeah. Or your wine. Yeah, absolutely. Which is partial. It's, what is it? San
Primitivo.
Giovanni?
No.
Giovese?
No. Primitivo is what in America they call Zinfandel.
Zinfandel. Got it.
Zinfandel.
Yeah, but what's your wine? Your wine is what?
My wine is Montepulciano and Sangiovese.
That's it. Okay.
80% Montepulciano, 20% Sangiovese.
Montepulciano is a Tuscan grape.
No, it's yes, I suppose so. They're both from grown in Tuscany, but they're grown almost all over southern Italy.
And then you grow those grapes
Southern
here? Are both of those grapes on your land that you're growing or no?
Yes, although instead of Sangiovese, I have Ciliegiole,
Okay.
which is the mother of Sangiovese.
Got it. Okay, so today we're having some Cento Ferri, which is from our very good friend Delfonso del Sordo. Right? Gianni.
Exactly. It's Cento Fate, which means 100 fairies.
100 Ferry. So it's from San Francisco. I'm kidding. Don't get mad. It's just a joke. Okay, now we're on. Okay, Ian, it's been a day. What are we doing now? What's today?
Well, this is the completion of the curry.
Okay.
We've got the marinated
Curry. Looks great.
chicken and
2 bay leaves.
2 bay leaves.
Got our pan.
We've got a green chili in the pan with some olive oil.
Yeah, 3-4 tablespoons olive oil.
So the green chili there will tell us when the oil is hot.
Oh, look at that. Good idea.
Yeah. So, and then it's added into the flavour as well. Leave it whole, otherwise the curry is going to be too hot. And then we spoon in
The chicken.
the chicken. So we'll fry the onions till they're golden,
Okay.
whatever colour that is.
Okay.
Okay, then we'll take them out and then we'll put some more olive oil in, and then we will fry the chicken until it's cooked.
Got it.
And then the process will go on from there. It will be lost in the curry. You won't notice it's even there.
Yeah. How
But
much onion is that? How many?
3 onions.
3 whole onions. White onion.
Yeah.
So you got 3 whole white onions cut up, chopped up.
No, not white. Golden
Golden,
onions.
gun it. So Spanish onion.
Yeah.
3 golden Spanish onions, chopped up, relatively small. Shot of that.
Relatively small, but they will break up in the frying process.
Okay.
Does it really matter? Okay, now we go.
Okay. So the chili is starting to go. Oh, I thought you did the onions first.
Oh, shit.
Come on, Ian. What the fuck?
Shit.
Okay, so now we're doing the onions first.
Okay.
And then how far are we cooking these down? Like translucent?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, one of the problems we just realized, we were not drinking any wine here, so we've got a Negramaro from Puglia. Nice light little glass.
Okay. I think.
Okay, so we sweated the onions here. We've got a translucency.
We're nearly there.
Yep, so the onions are pretty close to being done.
A few minutes. Let them steam.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, onions are done.
A translucent point.
Yeah, we're there.
So now we remove them.
Chili's gone. Chili's in the onion.
Chilies in the onion.
Okay.
That's right. More oil.
And this is your olive oil, yes?
Olive oil, yeah.
So we're on a farm in Italy, Puglia. Ian and Margarita. Oleander, Villa Oleander.
Oleandro.
Oleandro.
Okay.
Okay.
And so now
It's rude to correct the host
yeah.
when I'm
Absolutely.
shooting the video.
Yes, yeah. You have to cut it out.
I'm not cutting that out.
Okay.
All right, so we're just testing it. We're putting 2 in there to get it to the right temperature.
You don't want the olive oil to burn, so you need to get the chicken in at the right time. There is the chili going in there.
Where'd that chili come from? There's another one in the onions?
No. It was in the onion.
Oh, you took it out and put it in there. Oh, gotcha. Okay. I missed that.
Okay. Beautiful. We don't wash that up. We use it. Okay.
Yep.
We put all the onion into there to take all the rest of the spices.
Got it.
Yeah. And go around, spice up the onions. Okay, throw in the bay leaves and they start cooking in the warm onion. Yeah?
Yep.
This is on high heat. Because I'm looking for liquid to form in the base.
Okay.
And that is when the cooking process has happened of the
Okay.
chicken, yeah?
So it's giving up its
You
moisture.
start to see liquid. The chicken stock and the bones of the leg. But I'm only adding the stock at the moment to give it this moisture,
Got it.
because before I add most of the stock, I will add the tomato.
Damn chicken so fresh, it's jumping out of the pan.
Okay, now then, I think this is at the point where we add tomato pulp. This gives it some acidic flavour. And then I add the stock. Yeah. Everything used, in other words. A little bit like the spice and and the onions. Use it all. All the flavour. Add the onions. Just let that go like that. I'll go and stir this. I went down to the lemon tree to get a lemon, which finishes off the whole recipe.
Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna zest it. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah. The lemon thickens up the sauce, and it also gives it some more
Flavor.
acid.
Kick. Got it.
Yeah. I think I can add a bit more stock in here. It will disappear, yeah, it will. You just got to cook it for a while. Okay. Let that boil up.
So now we're letting that liquid boil, cooking the chicken, marrying the flavors.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna add some salt. How much you adding? About half a teaspoon? Teaspoon? No, it's about a teaspoon.
A bit more than a teaspoon, I think.
Teaspoon and a half. That's good.
In fact, I think that's too much. I think that would be.
Stir that in.
But we're going to taste it, yeah?
Good.
The man from Del Monte says yes. Salute.
Salute. Salute.
But it's not over yet, because we need to add the lemon.
Okay, so we're going to add the lemon now. We shut the heat off. Just shut it off.
Make sure everything is submerged as much as possible, although we'll stir it again with the lemon, I'm sure.
And now we're going to do some lemon zest. We're going to do lemon juice.
Which is to thicken up the sauce and to give it a little bit more acidity. It's great when you can just go out to a tree and pick a lemon.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Just when you need it, even though you forgot that you needed it. Okay.
So only a half a lemon.
Half a lemon is good, yeah. You can use lemon, you can use a lime, you can use a bergamot. A bergamot in a gin and tonic is one of the greatest recommendations I can give to anybody in the world. Bergamot in gin and tonic. It is beautiful.
Oh, you can smell that. That's good.
And now this is going to rest for at least 24 hours
Got it.
before we eat it.
Got it. So you put it in the
If you're
refrigerator.
really crazy for, yes, it will go in the
yeah.
refrigerator.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we're on the final moment. You ready, Ian? What do we got here?
Well, we've got a chicken madras, which was made on Sunday.
Basmati rice.
Yeah,
Basmati rice.
Okay, let's do
basmati
it.
rice.
Which is a stone and a half.
Hey, take it easy. We're here on video.
Oh.
You can. Sure,
Sure.
So, Margarita, we're doing rice. What kind of rice is that again?
This is basmati rice.
Okay, and then we're going to hit it with our
With our
chicken curry.
Chicken curry. Chicken, what would you call it, Ian? A madras?
It's a madras. It's chicken madras.
And then we've got a tzatziki that we made as well.
Okay.
Awesome. Fantastic.
Joe, I think you should do the
Well,
first
you do the
bite,
first
but-
bite, then I'll-
Okay. Awesome.
Awesome.
Calm
Awesome.
down.